Create is working. Great. Just a second, guys. Let me check that everything is working or not, and then I will start. Okay, here it's working now. That's great. Okay. Okay guys, so welcome back again to this live session, and just a second guys. So welcome back again to this another live session, and yes, no, it's working. Sorry guys, I forgot to open my camera. Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to this another live session, and in this live session I will share with you guys a project. I mean that this video is going to be a project review, okay, and the project that I'm going to review with you guys, and the project name is NADA. Okay, so when you open the gate.io and click here, you will find this option startup, and when you click the startup here, you will find the project here. This is the NADA protocol. Okay, so this is like NADA protocol, and as you can see here that they have 15,679 supporters, and total share was 2,000 and one share was around 20 USDT. Okay, and it is kind of over subscribed. So here you can read that they have raised like 39,300, 31% extra, and that is really good. So in this video I will share with you guys this project, that like what they are working for, why they are in the market. Okay, so let's discuss this project in depth. So first of all I want to share with you guys, so if you open the CoinGecko, here, you will find here, when you search the NADA, here's the coin, the NADA protocol token. What you have to do is you just need to click here. So when you click the NADA, this page will open. Okay, so this is a new coin, so that's why there is no much information about the market cap, the total supply and the maximum supply, but I will give you a complete analysis on this as well. So this is the website, and this is a project basically based on the Hedera. So this is a contract. So when you open this website, this is a website like slimnft.com. okay, and when you go down here, you will find the NADA protocol. Okay, this is a NADA protocol, and this is basically based on the Slim world. Okay, and Slim world is basically it's like a play to earn game. It's basically a P2E game which is available on the Android, and it is available on the this app this Android users as well. Okay, so they have the Android applications, and they have the Apple Mac OS applications as well. So this is not, if you talk about the NADA word, so this is like a part of NADA, and let me share with you guys the site of the NADA. So when we talk about the NADA, so NADA is basically a part of a company named NADA Digital. Okay, so this is a website, NADA Digital, and if you want to read more about like what is NADA and everything, so NADA is basically like a header based reward token. So this is a first thing you have to remember, that this is basically a reward based token, which we give like the ecosystem which we use in the blockchain based NFT mobile games ecosystem. So the NADA is basically a reward based project or based token which they provide the blockchain based NFT mobile gaming ecosystem, and it is developed and supplied by the NADA Digital. Okay, and the blockchain and games are the complementary. So the source of the existing game was 100% depend on the development, so there was no like a mechanism to compensate the user. So this is like a short introduction. I will share with you guys the later. So when you open the website, so this is the website of NADA Digital. Okay, so the website is like en.nadadigital.co.kr. so I'm selecting the English, so this is like co.kr. it's okay. Here you can change, like if you want to in your language you can say click here, and if you understand English then this is for you guys. Okay, so now this is the NADA. Now first let me share with you guys that what the NADA is. Okay, so you should be aware about that what the NADA is. So NADA Digital is basically a game development company. Okay, talk about the NADA, I'm talking about the company. Okay, so NADA Digital is basically a game development company that constantly images and strive to provide the best enjoyment gaming users around the world. So this is basically a gaming company. Okay, so NADA is basically a gaming company, and they are like they are working on so many things, like they are working on the like the mobile games, and I mean they are they are developing things. Okay, by developing things they are developing like gaming. They are constantly working on the gaming industry. Okay, so they are launching their games. They have other activities as well. I will share that with you guys in the white paper. When I share with you the white paper, I will share with you guys that as well. Okay, so there is no need to worry. Just a second guys. Okay, so as you can see here, they have the NADA Digital. So NADA Digital is like a develop games that all gamers around the world can laugh and enjoy together. And they have the mobile games, they have the Recruit, they have the white. So if you want to know everything about this project, so let's check out their the white paper. So if you want to check out their white paper, what you have to do is you just need to click here the view more, and you click this section. You need to download, so you can download in the Korean version if you are from Korea, and you can download in the English version as well if you understand English. Okay, that's totally depend on you. So I have already downloaded this English version. So here's the white paper. Okay, so here's the white paper of NADA. Now let's discuss about the NADA protocol, like what they are working, why they are in the market. So I will share with you guys everything. Okay guys, and okay, let's start. So this is a white paper of NADA protocol. So first let's check out their vision. It was the vision of NADA. So as you all know that the blockchain based gaming ecosystem adds value to the mobile gameplay. We all know that if you talk about the blockchain based games ecosystem, they always add value to the mobile gameplay. And if you talk about the NADA, so NADA protocol, so the NADA protocol token is basically header based the reward type token commonly used in the ecosystem where blockchain based NFT games and metaverse are organically connected. Okay, so this is basically a reward based token. Just remember this line as well. This is a reward based token which is used in the mobile gaming and in the metaverse system, and it is developed by the NADA Digital Corporation Limited, which is the one of the top 100 game developers in the Korea. Okay, just remember this line. It is developed by the NADA, which is like a top 100 game developers in the Korea. So this is a big thing. Okay, this is a big thing we have. Now let's talk about some other factors as well. When we talk about the NFT based rapidly, as you can see here, that from last like if you talk about the from last 2 years or 4 years, like 2 to 3 years, the blockchain industry grows up. We have seen n numbers of projects, and in the last bull run we have seen that the NFT gaming projects did really well. They all perform really like great. So the blockchain industry, they said that it grew like 509% in 2021 and same quarter in 2022. So we saw that bull run from 2022 to 2020 to 2021. So they are talking about the same thing. Okay, and in addition, with the full rise of MJ's generation, the increased activities in the virtual space. So as you all know that after the pandemic, though so many peoples are using the metaverse. So that was they were talking about that the increase in the activities in the virtual space created in the pandemic environment. So you all know that when there was some pandemic, we all kind of a house arrest in the mark in our home. It's like you can see like that, and we do not have at that time, we do not have much to do. So the users move to the metaverse, and that's the reason why the metaverse use case of metaverse increase. So now if you talk about the NADA protocol, yes. So guys, if we talk about the NADA protocol, okay guys, so if we talk about the NADA protocol, so NADA protocol combines like the global market game market. So they have this like NADA protocol token combines the global mobile game market, which is worth more than 100 trillion won and exploding NFT market worth of trillions to won, and allow game players to enjoy games, experience more immersive gameplays by, you can say, by owning and trading items they actually get from the games. Okay, so this is what they want to share with you. And one more thing I want to share with you guys, that as you can see here, if we talk about the market capitalization, okay, if you talk about the market capitalization of the an existing NFT market, so here you can see, and if you talk about the like 2018, here you can see the chart in the 2018, this is the 2019, and we have seen this huge NFT like a boom in the 2020. Okay, so if we talk about the sector wise, if you want to like distribute through the sector wise, so here you can see that the utilities, the artwork, the gaming, so gaming like holding around the 23% of the market shares. Okay, so they are holding like 27% of market shares. Then we have this like the metaverse, this is like a source from the non-fungible tokens. So here they have written that NADA protocol token pursues a joyful blockchain gaming ecosystem, so the that add values economics. So the main use case, as I told you earlier, that NADA protocol is basically a kind of a reward based token. So it basically enables the user to get so much a great experience, and they will get the like a joyful blockchain experience, and that adds the value to the more economic activities. Okay, so now let's talk about the tokenomics. Okay, so if we talk about the tokenomics, so we have the first one is the block play to earn. Okay guys, so first one we have is the play to earn. So nada protocol, let me remove, I don't know what to do. Yes, so here you can read that nada protocol token not only enables the economic activities similar to that in the real world with the blockchain world, if nada digital a company specialized in the course of the metaverse, but also can strengthen the characters with the key currency that is commonly used in the project metaverse. And if we talk about the tokenomics part, so you know that we have play to earn as well, through which you can play and earn. Then we have the play to enjoy. Then we have the blockchain metaverse. It's like to add value to the game player for the daily activities. So they have the like a key currency in the 3-dimension virtual gaming metaverse. So they are the social, like the economical and cultural as well. Okay, so here you can read, if you talk about the nada protocol token, not something like move, so is used in the blockchain. As I told you earlier, it is used in a blockchain based games, and like a project metaverse as well. So this is what they are working. And the game of which nada protocol token has applied a cost mild, yes. So it is basically so it connects the header based reward, so it connects basically the header based reward system. Okay, a reward type token system to the mobile games. And so obtained tokens can be used to, so when you obtain the token, so we talk about the use case. What is the use case? So when you obtain the tokens can be used to strengthen the, so you can use your tokens to strengthen your game character, your item, you can purchase game items, you can increase your NFT values as well. Yes, so and by producing your own character, so with this NFT you can produce your own character, and you can use into the like a full project metaverse field as well. Okay, so they have, in addition, by developing a worldwide through metaverse in the future, game players will be able to trade item in project metaverse. Okay, so this is the thing we have. Now let's move forward, and now let's discuss about the global games. Okay, so if we talk about the global games, so here you can see that the development of the global games that we were talking about earlier. So the game to which nada protocol token will be applied, so where the nada protocol token game is applied, so it is applied is a casual mid-core game. So it is differentiated by the to the multi-platform and is mobile oriented. So it is basically used in the like a mid-core gaming and for the mobile oriented games that anyone can easily enjoy. Okay, so this is the thing, so anyone can enjoy it. Okay, now let's move forward. So now here you can see that as of like nada digital limited, the first game like the mafia 3D we talk about the company, so the Nada, the Mafia 3D is like a popularity soared to be ranking in the top in the chart of popularity in the 6 month after the launch. So the Nada has developed this game like the Mafia 3D, and it was in like ranking around top 10 gaming, okay, top 10 gaming coins after the launch, after like the 6 month after the launch. And the SRD, which is like a slide random defense, which was launched globally in the April 2021, has also been played in 120 countries around the world, achieving more than 20,000 downloads. And in 2023, a total more than 50 new global games are scheduled to be released, mainly in the North America, East Asia, South Asia, India, Latin America, and ecosystem of Nada protocol will expand with the games. Okay guys, so one thing you have to remember always, you always have to remember when we talk about the like a use case of any project. So the first thing you have to remember that when we do some analysis, that what the company is doing. Okay, so as you can see here, like in 2023 they have plans like 15 new global games, and they will release in like big countries like Asia, South Asia, Latin America, East America. So what will happen, the use case of the token will increase, and if the use case will increase, then definitely price will follow. Okay, so this will, as they told earlier, so the ecosystem of the Nada protocol token will also expand with the game. So this is very true, and here you can check out their project. So the first one, they have talked about this, the 3D. They have the SRD, which is slim random defense, that I have already shared with you earlier as well. Okay, that SRD. And if we move forward, then we have the random skill defense, we have project G, we have project D. So they are working hard. So here you can see that the Nada, okay, so we talk about this, like this one here. You can clearly see that this is showing like a step-by-step solution, the steps. Okay, so they have shared like a 4-step process. So first one is the development of the blockchain game. So let's suppose if I am a company, what I will do first, I will first launch a blockchain game. Okay, so this is nothing new. I will definitely suppose if I am a company, I will definitely open a blockchain game. So first one is the development of the blockchain game. Okay, so it can be any game, like it can be like the SRD. Let's take an example of the SRD. So the first one game that we are going to open is the SRD. Then the second one is securing game users. So to follow this, they can use like different platforms like the Google ad, the Facebook, and the YouTube. So securing the game players. Okay, so they will use these platforms. And the third one, what we will do is they will provide reward type token. So users can receive reward type tokens when playing. So when you play the game, what will happen, you will get the reward. So this is simple math, nothing like a raw rocket science in it. So when you play the game, you will get the reward. Okay, and the fourth one is the increasing currency value. So user participate more activity to obtain the token for the reward and increase the value of the blockchain currency by spending part. So the more and more users will join, the use case of the project will increase. So this is simple, nothing new in it. The more users will use, the more use case of the project will increase. Okay, so if you talk about the launch, so they have launched already on the One Store, the App Store, and the Google Play, and they are like if their goal is to like secure the market in the North America, the Latin America, India, everywhere. So if you talk about the ecosystem, okay, we talk about the ecosystem. So where they are planning to launch their first like a game. So here you can see the first game of that NADA protocol token is planning to apply. It is the Slim World. I hope you all are aware about this project. So this is the website of the Slim World. Here you can see this is a game. I think, I don't know, we can play this as well. So let me, here you can check out this game. Okay, so this is a game which we called as a Slim World game. So this is a game, Slim World, where the company will use their first NADA protocol token. Where is the white paper? Yes, so the first game of the NADA protocol token is planning to apply it on the Slim World, and which was developed using an IP of SRD random technology which has been played. So if you talk about the Slim World, so it is developing using an IP of the SRD Slim Random Defense, which is already like popular in like 120 countries, which is really a very good sign. And it specifies that it can be used on the basis of a blockchain. Okay, can be uses on the blockchain of the first screen of the game and apply by the NADA protocol token, and user can enjoy it according to the user's choice. So here you can read this, the complete information. So if anyone want to obtain the NADA protocol token, so how they can obtain that token, so here they have written everything. Yes, just a second, guys. Okay, so if we talk about the NADA protocol token, so how you can obtain, so the first one, you can obtain the token according to the game pre-arrival round, obtain an attendance check token, then obtain monthly ranking reward token as well. Okay, and where you can use the tokens, so here they have shown that you can exchange to the NADA token. So where you can use the tokens, you can upgrade your upgrade the slim attack power, you can buy a play ticket as well. So this is the thing we have. So what is this project metaverse, and because I have already shared with you many, I will share with you guys this later. So this is similar to the Axis Infinity, and here let's talk about yes, okay. So now let's talk about their team. So Lee Yun Yol is the CEO of the NADA digital company. If we talk about the education background, so he is Inha University, majored in the computer engineering. So he has completed his degree in the computer engineering. And if we talk about the career, so here you can see that he has a very vast experience. So former pro gamer, and he was in total in 2011 CEO of the NADA Mall, then 2020 to 12 team manager of Ajuba Esport, and 2017 project leader of Angel Games, and then 2020 he is again CEO of the Nada Digital. And if we talk about the experience, so here you can check out they they have the like vast experience as well. Okay, so they have the vast experience as well. Here's the key member, so he's a director having like 11 years of experience, which is really great because we are working like because they are working they have like high working experience. So they have like 11 years experience. They have Crystal Heart, more than 5 million downloads. This is Zen Bond, he's like 11 experience. 11 is like 10 years of experience. He's a CTO. We have Oh Sang Mi, 13 years of experience. Yoon Sung Hu, 8 years. Kim Sang Hon, 8 years. So let's talk about the tokenomics part, because this is the very important part. Okay, tokenomics part. So if we talk about the tokenomics, okay, just a second guys. If you talk about the tokenomics, so here you can see let me share with you guys here. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a distribution. So if you talk about the tokenomics, then they have like 60%, that they have allocated 60% to the discuss here. So they have 60% allocated to the compensation, and they have allocated 8% to the Nada team, 12% to the partners, 6% to the institutional investors, and 12% for the operating expenses, and 2% for the others. Okay, so this is their take tokenomics. This is our token allocation. 60% they have allocated for the compensation, NDA. So he is the CEO, as I told you earlier. So we talk about the compensation. So what is the compensation which they have allocated the 60%? So P2 is basically play to earn compensation for activities within the Nada project, the relevant platform, including the Nada digital game. So when you play games, you will get the reward. This is the 60% is allocated to them. You talk about the Nada team. So distribution to paid key personnel for the project and research and development participants, partners, fund to expand the scope and services. So here you will get complete information like others. So reserved in preparation for additional marketing. So suppose if they want some marketing, market research, expansion of the business area, here they will use this token. Okay, now if we talk about the roadmap, so here you can check out their roadmap as well. So we talk about the roadmap. So here you can see that in 2022 they have started the blockchain game, and 2023 they have they're planning to launch more than 15 games around the world and implementing the blockchain metaverse project. And let me share with you guys what is this blockchain metaverse project. I forgot to share with you guys what is the blockchain metaverse. Okay, so this is the project metaverse. So what is the project metaverse? So it is you can say it's an area so where you can create your own avatar, to create various own avatar character, to set up various jobs, say starting a coffee shop in the, so if you want to open a coffee shop game, you want to engage some economic activities, you want to purchase something, so you can use this project metaverse. So like here they have written that item purchase, example coffee, are given functions applications to the characters such as increase momentum speed. As you all know that coffee contains the caffeine, so this will boost your mind. Okay, so you will increase the speed. So Nada digital games, mobile games which have successfully has accessibility that anyone can enjoy are interconnected to the large-scale metaverse social platform, including various games such as SRD, RDS, and I have already shared with you guys this project earlier, SRD, RD, so they can use this project as well. I hope you understand this. Now we talk about the if you want to read their white paper, sorry, if you want to check out their like roadmap, so here you can check out their roadmap. Here you can check out their roadmap. So like in 2023 quarter 1 they have releasing project T. They are working on the processing more than 15 games, and they are carrying out this metaverse project, smart farm, esports, and they are reaching, like in 2024 they are reaching like 100 billion won in the sale, which is really a very big number. Okay, so this is what they are working on. So I hope you got your yes, so this is all for the project, and if you want to read more, check out their website. Now let's talk about where you can buy this project. Okay, where you can buy this project. So if you talk about the NADA, so here you can see, as I told you earlier, that this is like total supply is infinite, because this is basically a reward based token. So the total supply is infinite and the maximum supply is also infinite. Okay, just remember this as well. If we talk about the all-time low, so its all-time low was in Feb 2023, and it's still like 8x up from its all-time low. Okay, so this is not a big deal. So here you can check out, if you want to follow their Twitter, their Telegram, their Discord, their Facebook, you can follow them in, and you should follow them in their social media to keep yourself updated on what's going on in the market and everything. Okay, now let's discuss from where you can buy. So to buy this project, so the best website we have is the gate.io. so this is the one of the best website we have right now. So this is the gate.io. just a second, guys. Nada. Okay guys, so if you talk about the exchange where you can buy, so the best exchange we have is gate.io. this is the one of the best exchange available in the market, and when you click here on the exchange, you have to select the ticker. So the ticker of the NADA is NADA. so this is NADA. Here you will find this project. Okay, there's no need to afraid with like this one, there's no need to afraid. So here you can see the first one. So benefit of buying from the gate.io is you will get the enough liquidity. Yes, liquidity is the main concern for the many exchanges, but when you buy this project from the gate.io, so the liquidity is really very good, and they are they are still they are very good exchange which are available in the market right now, and they have like different options also. Like if you want to buy, what you can do, like I have like dollars, so if you want to buy specific amount, like if you want to like 15-20%, you can buy here. And they have the different options. They have the limit orders, they have the market, they have the like stop limit, they have the advance, they have the TWP. So suppose if you don't know what is the meaning of TWP, so what you can do is just click here. Okay, click here, click TWP, and then click this one icon, and this is this will show you that what is the TWAP. So TWAP is basically time weighted average price. So it is an algorithm trading strategy where users can split a large ratios into multiple orders, smaller orders over a period of time and place them at a specified time interval. So this is a example we have. Okay, so here you can buy, you can select different time frame as well. And if you do not have like a trading view, so there is no need to open an additional window for the trading view. This you can use the you can use the different options here. So they have the trend arrow, so you can use, like if you want to draw a horizontal line, just click here and press here. So this is as simple as that. So you can draw your trend line here as well. You do not need any experience. And if you think that this screen is looking like small, so you just need, you can expand here. So this is how you can draw the trend line or chart as well. Okay, so you do not need any additional window or software for that. Okay, and guys, I'm giving you a minute or two, so if you have any question, query regarding the project, you can ask. Okay, and one more thing I want to share with you guys is the red packet code. So first go and claim the red packet code, and then I will like move forward. I'm just giving you like a one minute only. Okay, so I'm giving you one minute. Just go and claim the red packet code. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay guys, so you can claim this red pocket code from gate.io. so I'm giving you like one minute only, so just go and claim this red packet code, and then I will move forward. Actually I forgot to share with you guys this red packet code, so you just go and claim the red packet code, that's all. And in the meantime, guys, if you have any question or query regarding this project, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me here in the live as well. So I will answer your queries as well. Okay, so ask me. Okay guys, just 30 minutes left, so just claim this code fast. Okay guys, time is over. Let me remove this. Okay guys, I'm removing this. Okay, so here we go. Now let's get back to the topic. So this is the topic we have. So right now this is the topic. So and if you click this one icon here, you will find the website, like the blog website, the official website. So official website is this, the Nada Digital. So just click here, and here you will find this, the website. So you can, if you want to open this in English, just click here and you will open this in English. Okay, so this is the English website of Nada. And if you talk about the gate.io, so they have like n numbers of activities. Then you can if you are in Bali, then you can join this CoinFest Asia for Asia Web3 sponsors. So gate.io is basically a Web3 sponsors, and you can exchange, you can affiliate. If you are an influencer, you can join the influencer program. They have the referral program as well. They have the startup, so if you want to participate, you can participate as well. Okay, and if you want to learn, if you want to increase your knowledge, so you can click here the learn, and here you will find everything, that what is this, like crypto fundamentals, DeFi fundamentals. So if you don't know what is the DeFi, just click here, start to learn, and here you will learn that what is the DeFi, the difference between centralized and decentralized, the role of blockchain and smart contract is DeFi. So here we will get complete information related to any project. So it doesn't matter you are a beginner or advanced level, this website is for you, this exchange is for you. and this is one of the best exchange that is available in the market right now. So just go and trade on this exchange. You will not regret. Gate.io is one of the best exchange in the market right now, and still if you face any difficulty or if you have any query, they have the active have active help and support center where you will get help. They have the Telegram, they have the they have Twitter as well, they have the Telegram. So if you have any question query, they have the dedicated team which can help you in any matter. Okay, so guys, that's all from today's video. So I have already shared with you guys the NADA, and if you want to read more about the NADA, so you can just click on the NADA, and here you can read everything about the NADA, the slim word and blah blah. You can read everything. Okay, so if you want to check out the white paper, so you can click here the white paper. Okay guys, so now that's all from my side. Now